Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a video inside text in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up CapCut. Now I'm just going to create a new project here. And from here at the top, we've got a few tabs. So we've got albums, your space and library. Click onto library, then click onto background. And we can use either a black or white background for this. It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose black and click onto add. Now from here, I want this clip to be about 10 seconds. So I'm going to click on the video, click speed, click normal, and now duration. So I'm going to, at the moment it's at 5 seconds, I'm going to change to about 10. So I'm going to drag this slider across, change it to 10. And also, if you've got CapCut Pro, I suggest do smooth slow-mo. So I'm going to do smooth slow-mo for better quality. And then click the tick mark. Smooth slow motion has been applied. If you don't have CapCut Pro, it doesn't matter, just go ahead and skip that part. If you want to try CapCut Pro for a free 7-day trial, or we'll leave a link in the description below. All right, from there we need to add some text. So click on the blank space, click on to text, click add text, and now put in some text. So I'm going to type in video for this, and now go to styles. Now I want to make this text a bit bigger. So I'm going to just slider across like so. Also, I don't like the font here, so I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to go to fonts and I'm going to choose modern. It's going to look good for this video. Then back to style, change the size of this to pretty much fit the whole page. And then click on animations. We want to give this some animation as well to make it really stand out. All right, the one I like to use is called bouncing text, so it's kind of near the bottom here. So I'll scroll up a bit. Here it is here, bouncing text. And now I'm going to change the duration on this to be 3 seconds, but I actually want this to be longer, so I want this to be 10 seconds, but I need to go back and change the duration of this text. So I'm going to click on the text and make it fit the whole length of the video, like so. Now click back in the style, and now I'm going to change this slider to be 10 seconds. Click the tick mark. So at the moment, we've got this text like so. It's exactly what we want. Now once you like this, go ahead and click on export, but export in 4K if you can. All right, once you've done that, click done. And then create a new project. And now I want to click on the text I just made, and then also the stock footage I have. I will show you how to get stock footage after I've done this video. So from here, I'm going to click on add to. And now here's the 2 clips. I'm going to click on the first clip and then click on overlay. There it is there. So we've got the first layer, which is the stock footage, and then the second layer of the text. So now in order to show the stock footage through the text, we need to click on the text, and then down below scroll across and click on remove BG. But before we do that, put your slider where you can see the text. So I'm going to keep it about there, and now click on chroma key, color picker, and now I'm going to choose the white, like that, and then I'm going to make the intensity and shadow max out. So I'm going to choose at 100 and 100, and then click tick, and now I'll go to the start of the video and I'll press play. So yeah, that's it guys, how to add a video inside text with some animation. And now to get free stock footage, either videos or photos, you want to go to a site called pexels.com. So here it is here, pexels.com. And if you want to search for images, you can, or you can do videos. And now to find amazing nature or anything nature related or anything, just go and search for it. So for this example, I'll type in amazing nature, click search. And now you can see there's over close to 200,000 videos of all different nature videos you can use for your videos that are completely free and copyright free. You'll never get a copyright strike using any of these videos or images, some of the video images, you might need to give credit in your description, but yeah, to my understanding, these are all completely free and copyright free as well.